In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds using QuickBooks, a very handy tool for managing your finances seamlessly. First, you'll need to navigate to QuickBooks. If you haven't already, simply head over to their website and log in. Once you've accessed the QuickBooks homepage, we're ready to make our transfer. Next, you'll want to locate the New button on the homepage. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This button is essentially your gateway to creating a variety of new financial documents within QuickBooks, so it's always a good spot to start when you're looking to initiate a new transaction or task. From this drop-down menu, select Transfer. This option will direct you to the page where you can make your transfer happen. Once you're on the transfer page, you need to specify where you're transferring your funds from. QuickBooks allows you to link multiple bank accounts, so make sure you select the correct one from the drop-down list labeled Transfer Funds From. It's crucial to ensure you have enough balance in the account you've selected to avoid any overdraft fees. After you've chosen your source account, the next drop-down requires you to specify the destination. Again, verify that you select the right account under the Transfer Funds To tab. This helps avoid any mishaps or confusions later on. Having multiple accounts is quite common, so you want to make sure everything is in order. Now that both accounts are chosen, it's time to enter the transfer amount. Type in the amount of money you'd like to move. QuickBooks will not let you proceed if you input a negative number or an amount greater than the source account can support. Double-check your figures. It's always better to be safe than sorry when handling finances. Next, you'll come across the Memo field. This step is often seen as optional, but I highly recommend using it to your advantage. By entering a small note or description here, you can easily track your transactions for future reference. It could be as specific as rent for May or something more general depending on your needs. And there you have it. To finalize your transfer, review all your selections one last time. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. QuickBooks will take care of the rest, ensuring the funds are moved accordingly. Using QuickBooks for transferring funds is not only straightforward but also an efficient way to keep your records accurate and up to date. With practice, this will certainly become second nature to you. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy budgeting!